Let's make the Rock's famous toast, one of his favorite cheat meals, also known as
Rock toast.
We will need eggs, brioche bun, milk, vanilla, sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg. Let's get started.
4-inch thick brioche French toast. Peanut butter, maple syrup. I'm going down. Whipped cream. I know what you're thinking. Come on, Rock, put some more on there. Damn right I will. Threaten me with a good time. It's the greatest French toast ever.
Indeed.
Enjoy your French toast.
I think the rating I'll give
It doesn't matter what you think!
like, share, subscribe.